So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to unlink your Rockstar Social Club account from your Steam account. So first, head up to the Rockstar Games website and then log in your Rockstar account. Next, what you want to do is go to this icon right here in the top right corner where your profile picture is. Scroll down until you see help, click on support, and then what you want to do is click on account support, and then click on Rockstar Games account, click on account linking, and then what you want to do right now is type in your PSN online ID for PlayStation, gamertag for Xbox, or Rockstar Games account email for PC, etc. So what you want to do is just input the details there, input the description here that says I want to unlink my Rockstar Games account from Steam. You can also upload a picture if you want, and then just click on submit web ticket and then wait for Rockstar to reply to your ticket. And then once they have replied, they will send you or email you a list of instructions on how you will unlink your Rockstar Games account from your Steam account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to unlink your Rockstar Games account from your Steam account. So once you're done submitting the ticket, all you have to do is wait for Rockstar to reply, and then you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.